Nearly 19,000 new COVID-19 cases reported in the state of Arizona today. Those cases up in Pima County as well, with the Arizona Department of Health Services reporting over 2,000 new cases here. And as we take a look at how cases are affecting children, a local pediatric doctor says the majority of her patients are testing positive with COVID, and it's the worst she has seen in children since the start of the pandemic. News 4 Tucson's Danelle Confair joins us live from Banner University Medical Center with more. Danelle.
Well, Sean, since the start of the holidays, we've really seen COVID cases sort of ramp up. And unfortunately, children haven't been left out of those numbers.
It's tiring, it's scary, it's overwhelming.
Dr. Sandy Herron, a pediatrician in Tucson, says the majority of her patients are now testing positive with COVID.
We're being inundated with Omicron right now. We're doing each week, we're tripling our previous week's testing. Our positivity rate at this point is about 70% of all the tests that we're doing in the office.
She says this is the worst she's seen in her office as far as transmission and positivity rates.
We are seeing sick, younger children with pretty bad croup that are needing intervention. This really picked up over the last 10 days, and we're seeing it in the office.
The Omicron variant, which can lead to an upper respiratory infection in patients, proving to be an even greater threat to children.
For the younger kids who have smaller airways, inflammation in that area can be life-threatening. I am listening right now to breathing treatments and steroids being given to multiple kids in our office today who could not wait to be seen.
Pima County Health Director Dr. Teresa Colon says the county is seeing a spike in cases and working with daycares and schools to limit the spread.
So in the meantime, it's just important that people wash their hands, stay home when they're ill, don't let their littles that are ill go to daycare or any kind of community setting.
According to the Arizona Department of Health Services, around 14,000 people under the age of 20 are hospitalized with COVID-related issues. And a correction to that, that's around actually 1,400. Sorry for that confusion. Now, if your kid starts to show symptoms of the virus, like such as a fever, a sore throat, or a runny nose, health officials say to make sure they stay at home, and on day 2, get a COVID test. Now, if they're showing negative and then their symptoms subside, they can go back to school. But if they show positive, again, quarantine. Of course, we have those guidelines and more about testing on our website at KVOA.com. Back to you.